Hello, good afternoon everyone. We welcome you all today for Indian Bank Q3 FY23-24 financial results announcement. I would now like to request our MD and CEO Shri SL Jain sir to take us through the financial performance. Over to you, sir.
So good afternoon. Welcome to you all on post-result media interactions. We have just declared our 31st December 23 quarter ending results. So I'll discuss about the performance and then we will have a question answer. So business of the bank grew by 11% and stand at 11.64 lakh crore is on 31st December 2023. Under business, the deposit has grown by 10% and reached to 6.54 lakh crore. Under deposit, the CASA has grown by 8% and in CASA, saving bank deposit has grown by 7% and current by 12%. And the advances have grown by 13%. Under advances, RAM, retail, agri and MSME has grown by 13%. So total advances grown by 13%, RAM grown by 13%. Under RAM, retail grown by 14%. Agriculture grown by 16% and MSME grown by 7.5%. So under retail, housing loan has grown by 13%. Auto loan has grown by 47%. Personal loan grown by 30%. Under agri also, the gold loan has grown by 28%. Agri allied has grown by 59%. SSG has grown by 35%. And under MSME, the micro has grown by 18%, small grown by 2%. So there is a growth in all segments, whether retail, agri, MSME, and under retail, all component, whether housing loan, or a auto loan, or a personal loan, likewise in agriculture, whether it is a crop loan, or a gold loan, or an investment credit, or a SSG credit, or a agri allied, likewise in MSME as well. So that was the growth of the bank. Now I'm coming to the profitability numbers. Operating profit of the bank has grown by 1% on a YOY basis, and in 9 months ended, it is grown by 11%. Net profit of the bank has grown by 52% on a quarter ended December 23, and also 52% in a 9-month period ended on December 23. So our growth in operating profit and a net profit is because of the growth in NII, net interest income. On a 9 months period, the NII has grown by 17%, and in the quarter it is grown by 6%. Other than NII, the non-interest income too has grown by 11% in the quarter ended December and 9% for the 9 months period. So if you go non-interest income, the fee income has grown by 21% on a December quarter, and 9 months it is grown by 13%. In addition to the fee income, the profit on sale of investment has grown by 75% on a quarter ended and around 103% on a 9 months period ended. Likewise, the PSLC income has also grown from 40 crore of the December 22 to 167 crore, the 318%, and on a 9 month period it has grown by 11%. So in the bank, the NII is growing, the other income is growing, other income, fee-based income is growing, the trading profit has growing, the PSLC income is growing. So virtually all components of the income of the bank is growing. Next. So as you know that this time bank has made up as at IBA level the base settlement has been signed at 17%. So bank has provided full 17%. Bank has also provided around 250 crore odd for the pension when increased due to the 17% increase in the wage bill on an estimated basis. All other expenditures are grown as the business of the bank has grown. So the profitability of the bank has increased. Now you're coming to how the margins of the banks are playing out. So net interest margin of the bank was 3.49% domestic is against 3.52%. As you know that earlier, because we are moving in an increasing interest scenario, so the benefit of interest increase will first pass on to the advances and the liabilities. When the liabilities get repricing, naturally, the margin will come down. But as a 9 months period, you see, is against the last year net interest margin of 3.41%. In a December 9 months, we were at 3.54%, is against 3.35% of the last year. And you see the return on asset of the bank continuously is above 1%. In the last quarter, it is 1.11%. And in a 9 months period, it is a 1.04%. Likewise, ROE, return on equity, is close to 20%. Last time it was 19.90%. Now it is 19.92%. And in the 9 months period, 19.25%. As you know, we have raised the capital of 4,000 crore during the quarter ended December 23. So as far as capital position is concerned, we are at a 15.58% capital adequacy, of which Tier 1 is at 12.36 and 12.88, of which CET is 12.36. If we add a profit of the 9 months, we have not added profit here, it is around 17.11%. So bank is adequately capitalized, and that after having the impact of 57 basis because of the RBI guideline where the risk weights have been increased for the NBFCs and the unsecured portfolio. Next. So now with the raising of the capital of the Government of India, shareholding has come below 75%, is against 79.84% prior to that. The asset quality, the gross NPA and the net NPA of the bank has continuously coming down. So is against the 4.97% gross NPA in September, we are today at 4.47. So 57 bips. Likewise, the net NPA, which was 0.60% in September, is now 0.53%. So we all along were saying that our recovery will be better than our slippage. So in the current quarter also the recovery is 2,589 and the slippage is 1,667. So in a 9 month period, the total recovery was 6,780 crores and the slippage is 5,501 crores. So our recovery is more than slippage, resulting our improvement in gross NPA, net NPA, provision coverage. The slippage ratio 2 has come down from 1.77 to 1.29. Likewise, the credit cost has also come down from 0.79 to 0.76. Digital. So I request my colleague Bajaj ji to share your digital details now.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends from print and digital media. As last time also we told, the bank is already sorry. Good afternoon, friends from print and digital media. As last time also we told that bank has already started many digital initiatives. Here, if I start with the first slide, the mobile banking transactions now are close to 23.53 crore per month. And then the mobile banking app is at 4.3, that rating It's one of the best rating in the industry. And the digital journeys, this quarter we have done 15 journeys, and last quarter it was 12. So put together, bank has completed 78 journeys. Bank is working on these two strategies. One is providing various digital channels to the customers. Then second is onboarding those customers on these channels, and then increasing the number of users. If I show you this net banking, debit card, mobile banking, POS, UPI, BHIM, Aadhaar, UPI, QR, credit card, all these digital channels are available for us. Whereas the mobile banking users, it has gone up by 47%. It was 108 lakh last financial year, December 22, now it is 159. And transactions have gone up by 26% from 1 crore 38 to 1.74 crore. Users in UPI have gone up by 38% from 1.19 crore to 1.64 crore. And the transactions have gone up from 50 crore to 93 crore, which is YOY 72%. And the net banking, the YOY user growth is 38%, debit card 10%, credit card 19%, UPR QR code, it has gone up by 311%, because this is the one area where we are focused, and it has 8.78 lakhs to now the UPI has gone to 36 lakhs. And even the POS also we have increased from 14,770 to 21,725. If I talk about the transactions, it has now the digital transactions, the migration from 83.7, which was December 22, it was 83%. Now it has gone up by 87%, and in quarter-on-quarter basis also it has gone up by 1%. Then coming back to the various digital journeys, if I talk about the business, the growth in business, every quarter-on-quarter it is going up. Last December it was 2,875 crore. Now December 23, as on the December 23 is 52,884 crore. So as last quarter also we were telling that we will be touching 7 to 8 times of the last year, but it is going to be close to 70,000 crore by the financial year end. Same way it is growing in RAM as well as in each of the category deposit also. If I talk about the quarter-on-quarter growth, the left chart you can see every quarter the growth is there. Coming back to the number of the various quarter-on-quarter journeys launched, we have launched in December the 9 from the retail lending platform and 6 from others. So total 15 were launched, and January we are targeting another 7 to 8 journeys launches are planned for the next quarter also. Apart from that, bank has taken various digital initiatives. As we have told in the last meetings also, digital lending platform has been brought omni-channel, which is our new mobile banking app, which are going to be launched for the customers in the first or second week of April, which is already in use with the closed user group in the bank. Our 40,000 employees are doing it. The latest thing, which apart from which last quarter, which we have done, we have come up with the EOTS up to 10 lakh rupees, where the customer sitting at home also, who is borrower, the NPA is there, then sitting at home also they can close their account up to 10 lakh rupees of OTS. Then we have the death claim settlement form, the portal also is the new thing. Then branch central the service centralization is completed. So these are the couple of new initiatives. I'm sharing it with you. Apart from that, I'll request our MD and CEO to take it forward.
Okay, so what happened, besides this, in the current financial year, we opened around 57 branches. We are told that we will be opening 100 branches. So far we opened around 57 branches. Besides bank, the subsidiaries, RRBs are also doing equally good. So our joint venture, Universal Sompo Insurance Company, had a net profit of 171 crore in a 9-month period, December 23, is against 133 crore of the last year. So growing at a rate of 33%. Our subsidiary Ind Bank Merchant Banking has also made a profit of 6.4 crore, is against 2.85 crore of the last. Likewise, our 3 RRBs, Tamil Nadu Grama Bank, Saptagiri Gramin Bank, and Pudvai Bhartiyar Gramin Banks. So they are also net profit has grown by 28%. Their businesses have grown by 16%. Their operating profit has grown by 13%, and the net profit by 28%. And the net NP of these 3 banks are 0. And totally we are having around 944 branches of these all 3 RRBs. The bank has been awarded the most preferred workplace in BFSI sector for FY24 by Marksman Daily. Bank is also awarded for use of emerging technology in BFSI for adoption of cloud computing for AIX environment. So that is some awards bank has received. Now we are open for question and answer.
Congratulations, sir, for the fabulous financial performance once again. I would now like to open the forum for media Q&A. Would request our media friends to introduce themselves first before asking the question, please.
Good evening, sir. This is Basha from Todil Nation Publications. Out of 57 branches you opened last quarter, how many of them in Tamil Nadu, sir?
Out of 57 branches, actually some are in Tamil Nadu, some in Kerala, southern parts. So exact number, Shashank, I'll give you. So we are opening actually branches not in Kerala, in some Tamil Nadu, in UP, in various places where we are not having presence.
Is there any particular reason about the small industries or growth is reducing 2%? Is there any reason like that?
No, in MSME, you see last quarter we have grown by 5% and this quarter we have grown by 7.5%. So we are growing here in MSME. Slowly, you'll find that the growth will happen there also.
Sir, this is Harivanandam from Navjivan Express. Could you tell me about how the bank has performed in VBSI, Viksit Bharat scheme?
Viksit Bharat?
Recently launched, Viksit Bharat development scheme by central government.
Okay, Viksit Bharat Yatra.
Yatra.
I request Shri Bajrang Singh Sahab to kindly take it.
Basically, Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra is not a product. It is the Government of India initiative that whatever the schemes they have launched either through the banks and financial institutions or even through other institutions. There your insurance companies are there, public sector undertakings are there, petroleum companies are there, all those things are there to increase their reach at the operating level to the beneficiaries, basic beneficiaries in the rural and semi-urban areas. That has been initiated. Wherever we have been given the responsibility, basically it was to be charted out by SLBC convener in consultation with the state government, and wherever we have been given the responsibility to do that, we are doing it in a fabulous way. Thank you.
How much programs were conducted by Indian Bank?
Indian Bank we have conducted in 13 districts basically. Otherwise, wherever other banks are doing, we are participating in that. Wherever routes are there, wherever banks are there, or where LDMs are there, we are cooperating in that.
Indian banks, sir.
Come again, please.
Recently concluded Global Investors Meet. Any impact on Indian banks? Any positive?
So you say Indian Bank as in we are growing. Yes. So we are growing in MSME, we are growing in retail, we are growing in corporates. So basically what happens in investment, meet the new investments come in the state or new investments come in the country, and we are continuously financing them. So the huge opportunities comes to us, and as and when the new plant will come, naturally we continue to finance them. So we will make a positive contribution for the growth of the state and growth of the economic growth of the country.
Sir, good evening. Anbaragan, Arasil Nuru magazine. Your loan recovery, agriculture loan, education loan, so whatever it is loan, to recovery to Reliance Asset take over that company. What is the reason? You recovery not able? Please tell me.
Actually, what happens is
Reliance
part of our recovery process. Sometimes we do the OTS, sometimes we give the loan to the NCLT, referring to the NCLT, sometimes we do SURFACE, and sometimes we give to the ARC also for realization. So this is a part of our recovery mechanism. This is approved system of Reserve Bank of India, and wherever we are thinking that we are unable to do or the security is not there and the cost incurred even for realization will be more than the recovery, so we are giving to the ARCs for recovery.
Any further questions? Okay. Thank you everyone for attending this session today. For any
In
further
Tamil Nadu, out of 57, 4 branches are in Tamil Nadu.
for any further queries, you all can email back to us. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.